To accompany the lesson Sin, Oppression, Deliverance, a survey of the Book of Judges, we are offering 85 PowerPoint slides. While not critical to the success of your lesson, these colorful slides engage students' interest most particularly during the game portion of the lesson, where 20 questions are asked, answered, and more information about the judges are revealed through high-quality pictures and photos. This allows you to read each question for your auditory learners, while your visual learners follow along on the screen, and then, when everyone is ready, reveal the correct answers on the next slide. For each question, we provide additional information in the lesson plan, and these slides provide a visual context for some oftentimes foreign concepts. How many of your students, for instance, have ever seen an ox goad, or even a wine press for that matter? For your convenience, the slide numbers are referenced and highlighted in the lesson plan. These PowerPoint slides are available as part of a bundle or sold separately.